In this video, we will see that how you can add a phone number and make it clickable. So for that, we need to click on edit and I need to add a mobile number on the bottom. So I will go to bottom and then here I will add a new block. I'm going to click text. So here I will write my number 0322. So you need to highlight it now and then click on this button. Here you need to write TEL colon and then write your number again and then click apply. I'm gonna save changes and here when I scroll down you can see that when I hover my mouse it is showing a clickable icon. I hope you found this video useful. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in the next one.